friends, welcome to Orion Doodles.
Let's color together. Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, baby blue, Color together. Baby blue. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink. Purple. color together. Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. Baby blue. Let's color together. Red. Orange. Yellow.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do.
Blue.
I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They
Purple.
hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's
Everyone, let's draw the magical Boneka and Balaboo. Grab your marker and let's go. First, draw her big sparkling eyes and a happy face. Then, draw the fluffy, flower-shaped outline for her head. Now draw her little body, arms, and legs. Add a big bow on her head and a puffy cloud shape right behind her. To finish up, trace all the lines with a thicker marker to make the drawing bold and clean. And there she is, Boneka and Balaboo. She looks adorable and is all ready for color. And now it's time to color her in. Let's get started. Let's start by coloring her head green, her collar yellow, and that big, beautiful bow. A bright red. We'll make her arms orange and her legs blue. Then let's color her little body pink and the big puffy shape behind her purple. She's so colorful. To finish up, I'm tracing all the lines with a black marker to make the colors pop. And she's all done. Boneka and Balaboo looks so bright and cheerful. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Orange. Hey guys, what's up? Get ready to meet a super fun character today. We're going to draw Tralalelo Tralala, the coolest shark in the ocean. Grab your marker, and let's dive in. Alright, first, let's draw the main body of our shark with a nice big curve for its back, bringing it around to form the belly and the snout. We'll add a cool, wavy tail, a little eye, and of course, some gills on the side. Instead of regular fins, Tralalelo Tralala has some fresh high-top sneakers. Let's draw the first one where a side fin would be, add the sole, the tongue, and some crisscross laces. Draw the other three to match. Our sketch is all done. To make it look super clean and ready to color, I'm going back over all the lines with a thicker marker. This makes the whole drawing look bold and really pop off the page. And there he is, Tralalelo Tralala, the coolest shark in the sea, all ready for some color. How awesome did that turn out? First up, I'm grabbing a nice, deep blue for Tralalelo Tralala's body. And his tail, leaving his belly white. Just stay inside those bold lines we drew. Now for his awesome sneakers. I'm using a light blue to color the main part of all four shoes. You can pick any color you want for yours, but I think this blue looks super cool. eyes on. To really make our drawing pop, I'm going back over all the outlines with a black marker. I'm also adding some shading and details to the soles of the sneakers to make them look even better. This final step makes everything look so professional. The shark is looking so cool and colorful. That was a ton of fun. Thanks for painting with me today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Let's color together. Red. Orange. yourself.